Okay, we've had an unfortunate accident. Young man has went off over a bluff here.
Hey buddy, try to wrap it around the front of the rack here so you can roll it downhill.
Hey, what I was going to try to get to do is flip it over.
My winch won't do that.
Hey.
Mine on the brain.
Yeah, that
Now,
works
we
with
just
us.
need to put a tie off the front.
We need your winch up here too.
Who's down there?
ATV. I had to block it. I seen him go off the road, man. It was bad.
Is he alright?
He seems to be. It's way down over the hill. Yeah, he's down there.
All right.
I hope. Let's see if we can't get a strap on him as well.
Is that you? Well, whatever. I'm sorry. Just pull it behind her. I don't want to block everything, but hey, when we do pull them out, you're going to block the trail.
There you go.
Is that kid okay?
It seems to be.
Oh no, as long as you're alright, shit can be replaced. I know.
That's it. That guy right there is his wife right there.
This is Kyle's cable coming down, Code Man.
You hold that brake.
Keep it tight.
Hold that brake. Good. Cody, you want to go one over and one up, or? That's kind of what I was thinking. We got another crab.
I got that chain.
Well, if that one brings it over, we should be able to do the other one. I got an axle strap there in my floorboard.
Cody. Should be a, yeah.
Get a hold of the front of it. We'll let that one roll it over, and then we'll let that other one bring it up. Mountain climb up out of this.
Yeah.
I got the winch.
Okay. Alright, I got your tension here. You got to have your motor running.
Yeah.
You say you put something under the wheel?
I wish I would.
Oh, no, it's good. Yeah, just hold that brake, Tony.
Yeah, it's in park. You'll have to hold that brake.
It was just a...
we'll go back to the truck and doctor you up.
That's your boy?
It's my nephew.
That's your nephew, yeah.
His fucking mother gonna kill me. How it is?
Well, we all been there, man. Main thing is he's all right. That's the main thing.
He's all right, and I wish you luck that you only get last. Slow down. Here we go. Hey, I like him.
It's a Honda. Well, it's 20, 22, 23 foot, maybe more than that.
Whoa. We ain't going back down.
Him, her, and him, we all work together. And it's gonna be. Thank you.
Thank you.
You bet, man. You bet. You bet. And I know you don't want to see this video, but it'll be on YouTube at Muddy Lifestyles.
Muddy Lifestyle. Let's go up here where I can check you out.
Yeah, because he's pretty much in shock. What I've seen.
Honestly, I thought he got hit.
I didn't know.
Oh no,
I thought he got creamed.
No, he went off before we. I saw the approach in the cloud of dirt, but I didn't see no rider. And I said, somebody went over the hill, man. And it's not the first time. We've seen it a lot, you know.
The last time we was up here doing this, it was a Jeep.
It was a Jeep. Yeah.
Yeah, I haven't hit. I know, and he works where I work.
Yeah.
Come on, let me go check you out.
Well, that youngster shook up, but
Thank y'all so much.
you bet, you bet.
Slow your ass down, I swear to God.
Oh yeah, you got it. Oh, it ain't going bad. Hey, take a detour right off there. Thank y'all.
You bet, buddy. You bet, man. At least he's all right. He's all right. Give him a good talking to.
Yeah.
All right, guys, let's get the road
That
opened
thing
up
goes
here.
down another 50 foot. It was lucky them trees were there to stop him.
Yeah, he's lucky he didn't break his neck the way the machine was on top of him.
All right, get up there.
All right, we're gonna get out of here and open the road up.
Running to the truck, and we're getting a bunch of these. Got food and stuff in the truck, and we're gonna grab it. Now we're gonna come back to the trailhead there and eat.
Yeah, okay.